Shalom, and welcome to Biblical Hebrew 101, where we dive into the beautiful ancient language of the Hebrew Bible. Today, we're exploring a powerful passage from Mishlei or Proverbs, chapter 8, verses 32 through 36. In these verses, God is calling his people to listen, to walk in his ways, and to find life. I'll go over the text, verse by verse and word by word, so you can see what this message really means. So, without further ado, let's begin. ועתה בנים שמעו לי, ואשרי דרכי ישמורו. ועתה and now, ועתה בנים sons, בנים שמעו listen, שמעו לי to me, לי. ואשרי blessed are those, ואשרי דרכי my ways, דרכי ישמורו they keep, ישמורו. שמעו מוסר וחכמו, ואל תפרעו. שמעו listen to, שמעו מוסר moral instruction, מוסר וחכמו and be wise, וחכמו. ואל and do not, ואל תפרעו neglect it, תפרעו. אשרי אדם שומע לי, לשקוד על דלתותיי, יום יום לשמור מזוזות פתחי. אשרי blessed is, אשרי אדם man, אדם שומע who listens, שומע לי to me, לי. לשקוד to watch, לשקוד על על דלתותיי my doors, דלתותיי יום יום day by day, יום יום לשמור to guard, לשמור מזוזות the posts off, מזוזות פתחי my doors or openings, פתחי כי מוצאי מצא חיים, ויפק רצון מאדוני. כי for כי מוצאי whoever finds me, מוצאי מצא finds, מצא חיים life, חיים. ויפק and will obtain, ויפק רצון favor, רצון מאדוני from the Lord, מאדוני. the word that is actually written is me, Yehovah. But since in Jewish tradition it is considered to be too sacred to be said out loud, we say Adonai instead. וחוטאי חומס נפשו. כל משנאי אהבו מוות. וחוטאי, and he who sins against me, וחוטאי, חומס, steals, חומס, נפשו, his own soul. נפשו. כל, all, כל, משנאי, those who hate me, משנאי, אהבו, love, אהבו, מוות, death. מוות. In this passage, God speaks as a loving father, calling his children to listen. The tone is not harsh but tender and urgent. God promises that those who listen will be blessed, and those who seek him will find life itself. But those who ignore his voice wound their own souls. It's a simple but profound truth. Listening to God is the path to life. Ignoring him leads to emptiness. So, as we study these verses, we are reminded that every day God is calling us to listen, to come close, to watch at his doors, and to walk in his ways. If we do, we find life and favor. If you enjoyed walking through this Hebrew passage today, please like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves scripture and the Hebrew language. Until next time, Shalom Uvracha, peace and blessing.